Hello friends, I am Yash. Welcome to our Yash Touch channel. Today I am making video for inspection type 2, that is goods issue against production order or process order. I made one QM inspection type chart where I mention all the inspection type details, some prerequisites and functional area. So let's move towards QM inspection type chart. So as you are showing on the screen, here left hand side there are number of inspection types. So today I will explain you inspection type 02, goods issue inspection against production order or process order. Its functional area is production. Some prerequisites is needed for generating inspection type 2. This prerequisites is nothing but inspection plan and MICs. We use uses 6 and status 4. So I will explain why we use uses 6, that is goods issue and status 4 during our demo session. This inspection type 2 is not stock relevant, means there is no posting or stock posting required. The sequence of transaction step for inspection type 2 is nothing but first we create process order or production order, then we will do goods issue to that production order. Once we completed our goods issue, automatic inspection lot created, and for that particular inspection lot we will do result recording and usage decision. Application is purely for raw material. Inspection type 01, we receive material against vendor, and once we receive material we inspect that material and keep in store. But during production we will move material from store to production line. So in that situation there is some chances of some material, not all material, only some material to damage. So for that particular critical material, this inspection type is very useful. So now I will move towards demo. First I will show you bill of material. This is my finished product, this is my raw material. So now I will maintain quality management view for that particular raw material. This is my raw material. I will maintain quality management view, that is inspection type 02. I click on inspection setup. Currently there is no any inspection type maintained, so I click on inspection type. I maintain 02 and active. Yes. Again I will check it is properly assessed or not. Yes, it is properly assessed and all business transaction also come here. So now I will save that material. My next step is to create inspection plan. So T code for creating inspection plan is nothing but QP01 or QP01. Here I put my material, here I put my plant, enter. This is my first inspection plan, so automatically group counter once comes. Here I put uses as a 6. As I told you, why we use uses as a 6 and status as a 4, because inspection 6 is nothing but goods issue. We will do only goods issue, not any receipt. Means there is no any stock posting required, only we issue material to that location. So that's why we use uses as a 6. And status for release for general means it is release for production, costing and all. Now I click on operation where I maintain control key. So my control key is QM01, because in QM01 control key I use inspection characteristics require business transaction activated. Now select it and click on inspection characteristics where I maintain my MIC and my sampling procedure. I will maintain my sampling procedure. Now I click on consistency check where I check whether any error or warning message comes during creating this inspection plan. So there is no any warning message, there is no any error message, so my inspection plan is okay for saving. So I save my inspection plan. So as going towards chart, you know the sequence of transaction step. First is goods issued to the production order or process order. So I want to make first process order and then I will do goods issue against that process order. So now T code for creating process order is nothing but COR1, where I put my finished material, where I put my plant, and I put my process order type. So my process order type is YN01, where I put my total quantity, I put today's date for processing, then I put here storage location of finished product, I put here batch, now after I will move towards component overview or material list, where I put raw material, storage location, and raw material batch for that particular material. So my raw material batch is nothing but 18. Okay. Now I release that process order. I release that process order and save it. Okay. So display, this is my process order. So my next steps is goods issued to the production order or process order. So T code for goods issue against production order is nothing but MIGO. In MIGO transaction, we can do goods issued to the production order. So here I maintain goods issued to the order. Here I put order. There is moment type 261. Enter. Here all data is properly fetched. I will check one by one. Quantity is okay. Location is okay. Reservation number is okay. Batch is okay. Here document header text I will maintain something number. Now I post that documents. So here is message comes, material document posted, means our inspection lot created. So I will check inspection lot. Here I gave input as today's date. Here I put plant and select all inspection lot. So here is my inspection lot come with status release CLC calculated. My next step is to do result recording. So I select this lot, click on the result recording button, where I put my result, additional text. Okay, no problem. Now I will select this and evaluate it. So click on this valuation. So valuation is okay. Now log this result or close this result and save it. After refreshing it, system status will change, and system status change to inspection result recording. Now my next step is to do usage decision, but before that I will show you the stock of this raw material. So currently the stock of that raw material is nothing but 90, and it is unrestricted stock. So there is no any quality stock, because this inspection type is not quality relevant or quality stock relevant. So now I will do usage decision for that particular inspection lot. Here I put UD code. Yes. And there is no any stock posting options. I again told you that inspection type 02 is not stock relevant. So there is no any stock posting happen here. So now after saving, there is red indicator convert into green indicator and system status is UD. So again, if I go to stock overview and refresh it, there is no any changes happen here, because this stock inspection type is not relevant to stock. It is non-stock relevant. So this is more about inspection type 02. I will make video for inspection type 03 next time. So meanwhile, you like Yash Touch channel, subscribe it and share it. Keep touch with Yash Touch. Thank you.